Greetings, friends. I am Anuja and I welcome you all in Love with Astrology. Even if the world says, the one who are in love have the courage to dive into the ocean. But when there are problems in that love, there are confusions, there are complications, when the distance is increased, then we are unable to find a solution. Does astrology have an answer to our confusions? Let us know in this episode itself through our love analyst and renowned love astrologer, Acharya Mr. Satish. Let me welcome him on our show. Greetings, Acharya ji.
Greetings.
Welcome to Love with Astrology.
Thank you so much.
Friends, if you have any issue in your mind that you can't share with others, not even with your friends and your family too, but there's one person with whom you can share all of this, and that is Acharya ji. But to share, you have to pick up your phone and call on these numbers that are flashing on your TV screens so that you can speak to Acharya ji as soon as possible. Acharya ji, today I want to know that we have seen many such situations where parents are eager to get their children completely married. They are ready, all the arrangements are done, the boy is ready, the girl is ready, the families are ready, everything is going smoothly, but the marriage is called off all of a sudden. This can be shocking to anyone, even if it's a boy, bride, or the groom. So, how will you explain this through the medium of astrology?
Look, this is very simple. Miseries are not really miseries. Wealth is not really wealth. Forgetting Vishnu is the real misery. Remembering him always is the real wealth. This is such a disorder which you will call fate. And they say that whatever was written in your fate, on your forehead, in your destiny, is bound to happen. That is an assured offering of the destiny, which will actually enable you to eat even after serving. When the seventh house of a person has a wild planet in his charts, then both Naumans and Lagnesh both. If the seventh house is interrupted in both Naumans and Lagnesh, and especially Lagnesh is not only interrupted, the seventh house is the enemy of Lagnesh in both the horoscopes. Then they become enemies.
Acharya ji,
There are many
I
such
wish this doesn't
conditions.
happen with anybody, so I request you to talk to our caller as soon as you can, the one
Yes,
that is
absolutely.
online. Hello?
Hello,
Welcome to Love with Astrology. Your name?
I'm Sujata.
Miss Sujata, I welcome you to Love with Astrology. You can speak with Acharya ji now.
Hello.
Hello.
Greetings to you.
Yes, greetings.
How are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, tell me.
I want to know about marriage and job. Yes,
You want to know about marriage and job. What is your date of birth?
yes. 1st of June, 1985.
85. Okay, tell me the time.
The time is between 6 to 6:30 p.m.
Your place of birth?
Shillong.
Shillong.
Yes.
Did you have any contact earlier? Did you want to get married to someone earlier, or your marriage has been called off? Has there ever been any such thing?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So, do you have a small spot or any wound on your wrist by any chance, or a bone which is slightly outside, jutting outside?
No, nothing like that. I just have a birthmark.
A birthmark on the wrist.
Yes.
The direct reason of the disorder of your wrist is that you will get a job after you get married, right? Okay.
Okay.
So first of all, you will have to get married, and then that will be called off. Such situations might occur in your life. Only then your life will move ahead. There are such possibilities next year. So start taking the precautions right now. Observe fast on Thursday. Start doing 7 circumambulations of the people tree with yellow thread. And not only this, start donating 7 fruits in a temple. Call the priest and arrange for a veneration. You will be definitely benefited by all of that. And don't forget to wear a thumb ring. And also wear an Amrit Kavach around your neck.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Viewers, if you have any question, if you have doubt and have a problem, then without wasting time, call on these numbers that are flashing on your TV screens. Acharya ji,
Yes.
you always guide people and wish that their problems should be solved.
Yes.
We contacted one such viewer that got a new life with your guidance, Acharya ji.
Sure.
Let's hear her experience.
Yes, of course.
I was in a relationship since a year, but from last 3 months, there were a lot of problems in our relationship because both of us had started comparing each other and our thinking was not at all matching. I was very frustrated and personally I wanted this relationship. But after watching Love with Astrology, I called Acharya ji. He told me some solutions, and now our relationship is very nice. Thank you, Acharya ji, for helping me.
Very nice. Very nice,
Yes.
Acharya ji. I felt very good to know
Yes.
that. And I just wish that through this platform
Yes.
or this show, many people that are having some problems, or if someone is misguiding
Yes.
them instead of guiding, may they come out of it. Let us receive many such testimonials
Sure.
and receive thank you messages from the callers.
Yes.
Then the environment will be a very happy one.
Actually, Anuja, the thing is, you should come out of a myth. Nothing is big, small, good, or bad. Wherever your hope starts to generate, the time when you are capable to identify the good things, which means that you are blessed with God. Because as they say, without Lord's mercy, you can't even meet a saint. When do you get good things? When God will bless you.
Absolutely,
And you
yes.
follow the right paths then.
Absolutely.
Yes,
Acharya ji, please guide our next caller to the right path.
sure.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, welcome to Love with Astrology. Your name?
Poonam Prakash Gawande
Where are you from, Poonam?
from Sangrup, Amravati, Maharashtra.
How are you, Poonam?
Greetings, sir.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yes, tell me.
I have many problems in life, sir. I just can't do anything. My husband is jobless too.
All right, so you have financial problems.
Yes,
Husband
sir.
is also jobless, right?
Yes, sir.
Since how long have you been married?
Since 10 years.
Since 10 years.
Yes, sir.
And who is your first child?
I have a girl, Supriya.
Supriya.
Yes.
And what did you say your name was?
Poonam Gawande.
Poonam. So, dear Poonam, you have to do one thing.
Yes, sir.
Firstly, in your house, if we start from your father in law and your ancestors, then there's a problem with that. They have had some disorders where they have given some money and in return of that some stuff, and then there were some disputed matters. Do you know about that? Or should I tell you?
No, sir. I don't know anything.
All right, please confirm in your house because I have a
Alright.
feeling that some stuff was kept in return of money earlier and the money was accepted in installments, but the stuff was not returned. So that is a thing because of which wealth doesn't stay in your house, or else the source of the wealth which is supposed to come remains closed. Secondly, the main door of the house is impure. Draw a swastika at the main door. Cow urine, cow dung, honey, cow stone, clarified butter, vermilion, and ashtagandhi. You have to mix these 7 things and draw a swastika at the main door, and in a small bowl take some honey and some mustard seeds along with 5 coins and ward off the evil eye on you and keep it afar or bury under the ground. These 2 things. The next is, if you feed a dog with sweet flat bread and milk, then your ketu will be strong. And take a small knife and ward it off from yourself and throw it in a jungle that is far away from your house and where people don't go frequently. Hang it on a tree, or else you can also take the help of a rope, and this will give you instant results. All your problems are going to be solved, and by God's grace, you will thank me very soon.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you.
Acharya ji, there are many such callers that are unable to connect.
Yes,
So, if you permit, I want to read a mail.
of course, why not?
Greetings, Acharya ji. My name is Noor Rahman. My date of birth is 7th August 1986. The time is 9:45
Month?
p.m. 7th August.
August. Okay.
Yes, 1986.
Mm-hmm.
And time is 9:45 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
Place is Kolkata. I love a boy whose name is Vivek.
Mm-hmm.
We broke up in the recent past, and the reason of breakup was his lying habit. Earlier, he had said that he will change his religion and get married to me, but now isn't ready to do that. But I am unable to forget him. Please help him. I'm really worried.
Yes, dear. First of all, let go of your adamancy, anger, ego, and your dominance. Whenever you force someone to do something, then you have many such failed relations as per your astral chart. So, this results in your own loss and you lose some good things. It is not related to religion, my dear. It is related to your life. So, why do you wish that he should do as you say? He used to love you a lot and he loves you even now. And there are chances that he might marry you because I can see such formations in your astral chart. Your previous relationships failed not for this, but for your ego, anger, and your other demerits, just a few of your demerits. You preach so many good values, and I don't deny that. But just mend some small such mistakes, and I'm sure that you will definitely get some good result. And yes, we have a love thumb ring. Please order it and wear it. And there is a love pendant as well. These two things are needed for you. And get the holy Jam Jam water in your house and start putting it not on the ground but on the walls. And don't forget to say your evening prayers. Do these two things, and you will surely get some very good results.
Friends, if you want to contact Acharya ji but you are unable to contact or connect, then drop us the emails and let Acharya ji know about your problem. Acharya ji, we are getting many
Yes.
calls, and I know that when you are in the studio,
Yes.
people get really excited that they should
Yes.
get connected. Let
Yes,
me
get
speak
connected.
just once.
That's
If
right.
you permit, let's talk now.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Love with Astrology. Your name?
Madam, I'm Dinesh Soni.
Dinesh Soni. All
Yes.
right. Where are you from?
I'm from Jamnagar, Gujarat.
Okay. Welcome. Let's talk to
Yes.
Acharya ji.
Yes.
Hello, Mr. Dinesh. How are you?
Hello, Acharya ji. How are you?
I'm fine. Tell me about yourself.
Acharya ji, thank you so much.
Yes,
I had a girlfriend previously. I
Yes.
have told you this earlier.
yes.
I used to love her a lot, but my
Okay.
parents were against her, and her parents were against her as well.
Uh-huh.
But the solution that you had given, Acharya ji, and the treatment told by you, I did all of that, and now my parents and her parents have both agreed, and we will be getting married next year.
That's nice.
That is wonderful. That is really very nice.
It is all because of you.
That is God's blessing and your trust as you chose the right place and the right medium amongst all the mediums. And this is a living example of it.
Many congratulations. Congratulations, Mr. Dinesh. Thank you
Thank
for
you so
calling.
much.
Thank you. Acharya ji,
Yes.
as he said that, and I have said
Yes.
this, that we think and all the arrangements are done,
Yes.
but at the end moment, something goes wrong. So
Yes.
here he was very close to his girlfriend, but parents were not ready. And I can understand as a teenager that there are difficulties when parents don't
We
support
get
you.
very, very upset.
And
And it is very upsetting.
so what and how much time did he take to convince?
Look, any work, whenever you follow the right path, it doesn't take too long. It takes time only and only to diagnose that how you will do this work.
Yes.
And after that, it doesn't take time. And one more
Yes.
thing. Look, by wearing a lot of stones,
Yes.
like whenever you call an astrologer, the first thing that you say is do a veneration and wear a stone and do this.
Yes.
If it is needed, then it is definitely worth it. I don't wear any stone myself.
Correct.
It doesn't mean that my work is not being done. Or the one who works in the market of stones and keeps them in the house, his work might get done.
Yes.
The one who works
absolutely.
on stones might have all of them. The medicine is actually very beneficial to you only when it is right for you. Look, nobody is against that. I don't say that you should not wear. If needed, even I say the same. And I feel that if needed, you can also do the same thing. But definitely do it, whatever is needed, and stay away from what is not needed.
Correct.
The truth affects the present always. From the first day, from the first moment, from the first instance. I mean, if someone is suffering from depression, then it's the moon which is behind it. Let me tell you something special. As I always say, the people that have a pain in the teeth that are down will have trouble maintaining relations. Such people are egoistic, and there are definitely problems in relationships. Secondly, the people who snore a lot while sleeping, the people who suffer a problem while eating rice, the people who can't stay without eating sweets. Just get this. These are the people, they are only here to do some work, to live relationships, and to be beneficial by that. It is not their cup of tea. They don't get good relations anytime. These people, they are very, very choosy. They spend their money at one time. Such people are considered as low and fool them. So, whatever values you may have, whichever behavioral values that you have, that always has an impact on the planets, and one can understand the planets by such things.
Yes, absolutely.
On the basis of all such things, one can mend your own things by
And
changing the
Acharyaji,
process.
You should have someone that can make you understand and explain the things in the right
That is
way.
right. The,
It's very
the
important.
present and the right guidance, there are many teachers,
Yes.
but there are only some teachers whom we can understand properly
Correct.
and from whom we learn everything.
Absolutely.
We cannot understand even if the teacher teaches for hours.
Mhm.
A 15-minute class by a teacher
Correct,
is outstanding.
absolutely.
It is fun.
Yes, yes.
There are many doctors where you are unable to cure yourself after eating a lot of medicines, and you will get cured if you change the doctor. So the loss and profits, birth and death, and success and failure are all in God's hands. Loss, profits, success, and failure, a process in which who will be benefited and by whom.
Correct. Correct.
So there might be that someone hands is beneficial for others.
that is a God's gift.
Yes, that is a miracle by God. That you will be made successful and that you have been made for the same thing.
Yes.
Look, there are many craftsmen, but there are few craftsmen that have received the gift of God's divinity. That is an apparent illumination. Some might be very fit but not have a degree, but he is a very good fitter. A working man, a mechanic, he might not be very knowledgeable, but that mechanic can do an excellent job. So this vision, this direction, God gives you an emotion to guide in that direction.
Correct.
If God gives you that vision, that thinking, and gives you a power, he might make you intelligent so that you can understand all of that you are following the right decision and you choose the right person.
This is the thing, Acharya ji, that our viewers and callers just speak to you once and then stay connected.
Yes.
They just don't go anywhere else.
Yes.
Just like a guru
Yes.
or a doctor, even a
Yes.
teacher or a guide, and as a mentor too. You have helped the viewers and our callers in every way.
Yes.
And have stopped them from following the wrong path and have saved them. I really want to thank you for that.
Yes, thank you so much.
Friends, if you have any questions and any confusions regarding your love life, you're not satisfied with your relationships, or you feel that you have many good options in your future about which you want to contact Acharya ji in person, then here are the contact details. The address is 8 by 220 Anand Keshav Apartments, flat number 308, Arya Nagar, Kanpur, 208002, Uttar Pradesh. Our email ID is castroindia2010@gmail.com. Our website is www.lovewithastrology.com. You can like us on Facebook too. Friends, if you have any complications or questions regarding your love life, just don't let it increase. Just connect with Acharya Satish ji. And for that, you have to stay connected with the show. Let's meet in the next episode of Love with Astrology. Till then, take care and have a nice life because we care about you.
If you like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can even write your queries in the comment box down below. To get an appointment with Acharya Satish ji, you can even call on this